More new gun restrictions signed into law by Governor Newsom. Californians will now be allowed to sue people who illegally make guns or distribute guns. As Fox 40's Karma Dickerson explains, it is modeled after a Texas abortion law.
The Supreme Court opened the door. The Supreme Court said this was okay. It was a terrible decision. But these are the rules that they have established.
Governor Gavin Newsom using what he believes to be an extremely conservative ruling to what some would call an extremely liberal end. In 2021, the justices did not block a Texas law allowing people to sue abortion providers. Now California is doing the same with gun makers.
If they're going to use this framework to put women's lives at risk, we're going to use it to save people's lives here in the state of California.
The new law celebrated today at Santa Monica College. That's where a shooter killed 5 people in 2013 using a ghost gun, a weapon made from parts that were legally purchased. Police killed that shooter, though theoretically, using this new law, he could have been sued for the shooting.
You cannot sell, you cannot manufacture, you cannot transfer these illegal weapons of war and mass destruction in the state of California. And if you do, there are 40 million people that can collect $10,000 from you and attorney fees for engaging in that illegal activity.
Under the law, people could get at least $10,000 per weapon if they successfully sue someone who deals in weapons banned in the state. These include assault weapons, guns without serial numbers, or parts that can be used to make them, or for selling weapons to minors. However, Ronald Macon, who used to run Rockland Armory, suspects keeping people from having guns, period, is the ultimate goal.
I am not pro-automatic guns. I'm pro do background checks. I'm not pro just let any willy-nilly have a gun.
He says he believes gun ownership should come with restrictions, but worries about the path he feels this law could lead to, potentially discouraging people from selling legal gun parts.
As soon as you start getting sued enough, and even though you're not guilty of it, it still costs you money. You still have to pay the money to defend yourself. And guess what's going to happen? You're just going to say the hell with it and not do business in that state.
In Sacramento, Karma Dickerson, Fox 40 News.